All right, guys, so on Monday, we talked about how adding S to the end of a word changes the meaning of that word, and it makes the noun plural, meaning it makes it mean more than one, right? A singular noun is one of something or a person, a place, or an animal, but a plural noun is more than one. So in your sentence of the day for Wednesday, we didn't have school on Monday, you would have seen this word bubbles, and it has the S on the end of that word, which makes it a plural noun, which makes it mean more than one, okay? So for today, your assignment is going to be, let's read the instructions. The instructions say, drag the word to the box that matches the picture. Make sure to check your ending. Then at the end of the page, use one word that ends with S in a sentence. So you have been provided with some pictures here in these boxes. Now, some of these pictures have one of something, which means that it's a singular noun, and other boxes have a picture that has more than one, which means that it is a plural noun. Your job is going to be to take one of these boxes and move it and place it in the correct picture box, okay? So this word says cat, cat. So if I'm going to move this word, then I know that the box has to be with a picture that has one cat, because that word doesn't have the letter S at the end, which means that it only means one, okay? So I'm going to place that here because that's one cat, okay? Now, I'm going to go back down and I'm going to find another one because I want to show you something with S. Okay, let's look at this one. Trees, trees. So this has an S at the end of this word, which means that it is a plural noun and it means more than one tree. Okay, so I'm going to click on it and I'm going to drag it up here. I'm going to drag it up here to a picture with more than one tree. Oh, that's one tree, so that can't be it. So I'm going to place it here because this is a bunch of trees, more than one tree, okay? So that is how you do that. Now let's look at the other part of this assignment, which is a sentence. Now remember, the instructions said that you need to make a sentence using one word that ends with S, okay? So this is going to be my sentence. I'm going to type, when I drove back home to Ohio from Texas, I saw many mountains in, when I drove back home to Ohio from Texas, I saw many mountains. And that is going to be my sentence. See how I use the word mountains with an S at the end, which means that I saw more than one mountain when I was driving back to Ohio. So this is your sentence for today. Go ahead and complete it, and I hope that you guys enjoy it.